people want to use a crate or a confinement so that the puppy doesn't run around, and then are very surprised that the puppy really doesn't like being in there. So when they first get the puppy, very often there is a problem, a sleeping issue, because they don't want the dog to pee and poop in the house, obviously. So I think if the people are prepared for the fact that they know that the puppy might not like the crate, to have a different kind of setup, put the puppy, allow the puppy to sleep in the same room with you, and then just confine the puppy and have maybe like a pee pad available to the puppy, so that if the puppy has to eliminate in the middle of the night, he can do that freely and then hopefully go back to sleep. But sometimes it's quite a process. I have had the most success with puppies kind of actually tethered to the bed on their own little bed so they can't scramble off. But if they are in the same room with the owners, then they adapt to that sleeping pattern that they have.